Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We got an update from AITX Stock. AITX is waiting for the 10Q, and it did come out today, so we're going to see. They came out with the 10Q after hours. Surprise, surprise. So it's going to be interesting to see if this comes down finally nice and cheap. If this does come back down to 002s, you know what time it is. It's time to slap that big bottom. Slap that big ask. That's what we're about. We buy cheap, we dump it when it goes up. Rinse and repeat. We already did it here. We're going to do it again. That's it. It's that simple. If you don't have the patience and discipline for it, I don't know what to tell you. It's not even I know I sound angry, but some people in my Discord that have joined the Discord they're not listening. I'm like, bro, just be patient. Wait. You don't have to be, cash is a position. Sit on it and be happy that you're smart enough to just sit back and wait for the opportunity to present itself and buy real cheap, then dump it on the suckers that chase it. Okay, so AITX came out with the Q3 FY 2025 financial results. Let's go over. I'm curious about the dilution. That's what I'm curious about. Let's see. Okay, we know tomorrow is going to be a big day. Let's see. For the 9 months, recording revenue, a 213% increase over the same period for 2023. Total rental revenue for the 3 months ended, a 30% increase from prior quarter. Okay, I need to get down to the numbers then. Yeah, let's look at their outlook. So they got new machines coming. What happened to the Romeo? That should be coming soon as well. Okay, so tomorrow they're gonna, we know tomorrow's gonna be a big presentation. Where's the 10Q? I want to. But this company has problems, but it's still a good stock to flip, right? Let the long terms hold the bag, and we can continue flipping it on them. So let's bag a grandma and a grandpa, whatever. We're here to make money, not to be nice and go. Oh no, you can bag me, grandpa. Yeah, you hold the bag, or it's me. It's me or you, right? I'd rather it be you. You know what I'm saying? That's why we buy at the bottom. Some of you are laughing at that one. Like, look at this guy bagging grandmas. Cash. Okay, let's see what else. If there's any total current assets, security total assets. Wait, did assets decrease? Is that what I'm saying here? Is that the decrease in assets? Where did the decrease come from? Here? Revenue earning devices. There was a decrease of almost 2 million. Oh, no, there was an increase. I'm reading this all wrong. I was reading it wrong. My bad. I was like, wait a minute. No, there was an increase actually in revenue earning devices from 2.48 to 4.35. Okay, yeah, I was reading this wrong. I was like, wait a minute. Where did they... Okay, no. They're fine. Their assets went up. That's cool. I don't think there's anything. Convertible note. Customer deposits. Let's see. Loan payable. Deferred compensation for CEO. Uh-oh. People are going to cry about this one. Oh, no, he's getting paid 60 more K. Compensation for CEO. They're going to talk about that one. Vehicle loan. Total current liabilities. Total liabilities. What's the total? Oh, boy. Those liabilities jump. See, this is the problem, is the liabilities will jump. Like, it'll jump a lot. It'll jump like 4x the amount. The assets go up like 2 million, but the liabilities go up like 4 times the amount. So 8 million. Let me put it that way. So that's why I'm saying, like, it's got its issues. But, hey, I'm going to continue to abuse that big bottom, right? Might as well. It's been going sideways there for a whole year. Thank you. I love you, AITX. Thank you, Steve Reinhardt. Got to give, the shareholders, thank you for being my bag holders. You're my best friends. I know you hate me in the AITX Discord, but still. Especially because I've gotten cockier now that I know, like, I'm good at this. Like, I'm finally reached my peak here. Maybe not. Maybe I'm not Goku level yet. Additional paid in capital. I'm curious about the revenues. Do I care about revenues? Yeah, the revenues have jumped. We expected that. I'm not surprised by any of this. What about their operating expenses? Have that jumped? No. Oh, okay, they kept the operating expenses down. Oh, no, there it is. Their general and administrative jumped up 700K. I think I complained about this last time. I'm like, their general and administrative goes up like a ton, which is always eating into their ability to become profitable. Like that can't, we'll see what happens in the future, but like you can see here, it increased year over year from 6.4 million to 8.2. So the G&A just keeps going up. Like these are just issues that need to be dealt with at some point. You just can't have your G&A going up like that forever. So, but you know, we'll see what happens in the future. We'll see. I care more about the dilution, issuance of shares. I don't care. Where's common stock? Common stock. What's the balance here? 7 billion, 1,000 million, but yeah, 7 billion. And then where's common stock? 9 billion, 10, 11, 12. You can see they dilute hella crazy. You can just see here. For those of you who don't know, you go to the balance. Is it the balance sheet? Why am I confused right now? I shouldn't be confused. This is the balance sheet, right? Yeah. Yeah. This is 5, 6, 7, and then it jumps 9, 10, 11, 12. Like literally, they dilute like a billion every quarter. Every quarter they dilute like a billion. Look at this, 10, 11, 12. Like literally every quarter they dilute a billion. That's why the share price can't go much. It can move its 30 to 80%, but you just you take your profit and you get out, and then you rinse and repeat the strategy, right? As I just showed you. So I'm just showing you exactly why the stock behaves the way it does. I'm glad it holds the bottom, but now you know why it's not why it's got its issues, to say the least. What are the bad debts expense? I think that's a stock-based comp. No, I don't care about that. Okay. Device parts inventory. Okay. Customer deposits. What? Customer deposits. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I see anything here that's... Yeah, it's the dilution. That's what it is. It's always going to be the dilution that's going to be the biggest issue. I don't think I have anything more to say. I don't think, let's see. Yeah, we know, yeah, here it is. The company has accumulated a deficit of 149 million and negative net working capital of 37 million. There you go, guys. Now you know why they need to keep raising money, just to stay afloat. It's a garbage, okay. It's a, I don't want to call it trash. I don't want to say that. I like it, but it's garbage. Is really, I'm like trying to sugarcoat it, but when do I, no, it's garbage. The stock is garbage. The company is, the way they handle their money is garbage, but it has potential, and that's all I'm going to say. I don't want to, I like Steve Reinhardt, I like AITX, like the company, but when you look at the numbers and the dilution and everything, you're like, I kind of don't like you. like, hey, Steve Reinhardt, you're cool. The CEO, you're really cool, but yeah, like I don't know how else to put it. Let's see. I'm trying to find if there's anything here that they included. Sometimes they hide something in here, like something like that you might not see if you don't actually dig deeper. Revenue earning devices. Oh, wow. Okay, that's an increase. They doubled it almost here in revenue earning devices. 3.4 million to 6.2. That's a pretty sizable increase. Cost of goods sold. Oh, yeah, their cost of goods sold. Why didn't I talk about that? In red. Okay, no, I don't care about that. How many loans, promissory notes do they have? They have a bunch of them. Oh, God. Yeah, they like I said, they got their issues. But either way, that does not change the fact that there's a big bottom down here we can abuse, buy in, goes up, take your 50 to 80%, LOL. That's it, like literally LOL. I mean, I don't know if you want to laugh at the people you're bagging, but, those poor grandmas. She needed a new leg. Grandpa needs a heart. I don't know why I created a story where there's a grandma and grandpa that are just losing money hand over fist on AITX. Yeah, the general and administrative expenses increased. Yeah, it increased by a ton. Surprise, surprise. This was primarily due to the increase in wages and salaries, commissions, and repairs and maintenance. Still, I would like to see a decrease in G&A accounts, regardless. Cannot be going up as much as revenues almost. I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. I'm not finding anything else. Yeah, no. I thought they would have like a little secret sauce in there. Like, guys, we're doing a secret acquisition. Shh. Only if you saw through the whole, only if you read through the whole thing would you find this. Like, nope, there's nothing. Cost of goods sold. I forgot to look at that. Cost of goods sold. Yeah, no, they're fine on cost of goods sold. Okay. I don't got a problem with their cost of goods sold. It really is their G&A. That's the one that I always look at. Like, it's like, what the 2.7 million, but their revenues is 1.75, right? So that just doesn't make sense. And it jumped. So the revenues jumped, but also like it's kind of almost, it's not quite one for one. Like, hey, the revenues went up, but also their general and administrative went up just as much. Like, it's like, wait, when are you, what? You guys get what I'm saying. It's, so fundamentally the company is, as I just showed you, it's got its issues. I got no beef or problem with the CEO. I think he's cool. Very transparent like me. That's why I love him. But, the AITX Discord, they talk a lot of smack about me, so screw them. I hope you hold that bag forever. I hope you go to heaven and God goes, hey, get that bag out of here. No. Okay, this was terrible. I take that bag. I was talking about Minecraft. Okay, algorithm. I'm talking about Minecraft. Okay, gotta say Minecraft. In Minecraft, I hope this happens. You just hold the bag all the way down. All right, I just sound like a horrible person. I'm just high right now. I'm just high on my own farts. Like, I'm feeling good, guys. It's been an incredible start to the year. I hope everyone makes money. I hope those who are patient and disciplined, when this comes down, you buy. You don't question it. You just buy. And then when it pumps again, you thank me later. Because I promise you, it's the easiest money ever. I did this all last year. We're going to do it again. Whether it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50%, get that money. That's what it's about. This is going to be the biggest year, not only for shades and trades, but also for you if you follow the plays that I give you, whether you're in the Patreon/Discord or you're just watching the channel. That is it. I'll see you guys in the next one.